Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by preparing your media before you open Instagram. Export images at 1080 x 1920 pixels and use a 9:16 aspect ratio. Set video frame rate to 30 FPS and keep each clip under 15 seconds. Use the sRGB color profile so colors display consistently on phones. Save photos as high-quality JPEG or HEIC and export videos as MP4H 264 with a moderate bitrate for balanced quality and file size. Name files clearly for quick upload and transfer them to your phone. Next, optimize technical settings to preserve clarity during upload. Export video as MP4H 264 and aim for about 500 kbps bitrate for balanced quality and file size. Keep photos at 1080 x 1920 so Instagram avoids aggressive rescaling and compression. Apply light compression only and avoid multiple export generations that degrade detail. Keep exposure, contrast, and color grading consistent to prevent platform reprocessing from introducing artifacts. Name versions with dates. Finally, upload using reliable connectivity to prevent extra compression. Connect to Wi-Fi or high-speed mobile data and disable low data mode on your phone. Open the Instagram app and choose the story camera or gallery import to preserve file specs. Select your prepared 1080 x 1920 files and add minimal in-app edits to avoid reprocessing. Keep each video clip to 15 seconds and stitch clips for longer stories to maintain quality. Preview the story and then post when satisfied with playback and colors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.